Hey guys, so this is how you're going to reset your Wix website to start from zero. So, an important note first is that Wix doesn't offer a one-click reset option. So, to start from zero, you will need to delete content manually or to start a new site. So, I'm going to teach you several methods to do this. So, the first thing that you're going to do is to go over to the settings page of your Wix Studio. So, to do that, just you can see this left side options right here. All you have to do is to scroll down and then click on the settings right here and then just wait for this section to load. Now, once you're here, just scroll down once again until you find this site domain and SEO section. And from here, you can see this website settings option. Now, click on that. And then once it has loaded and once you're here, what you're going to do is to again scroll down and then find this site history section. What this is going to do or what we're going to do with this option is that we are going to restore the earliest version of our website. And in that way, we can go back to how we once started, which is basically just like resetting our website. So you can see here, we have several options that we can go back to. We have several versions that we can choose in order to go back to the earliest version. So this is my earliest version of the site, which is from April 21, 2025, which is most probably when I started this website. That is option number one. Now, another option is to go back to Wix Studio, and then you can see here your site's dashboard. So this is not only one website, just like we saw earlier, where we only saw this 4 seasons one website. So from here, from the Wix Studio dashboard, you can see all of the sites that we actually have. So in order to reset one of the sites that you want to start over again, the easiest way to do this is to actually just hover over your website and then click this site actions button right here, which looks like an ellipsis icon. Click on that and then move this to trash. So click move to trash and then just confirm your decisions and take note the sites will be kept in trash for 90 days until you decide to fully delete it or to restore it. So it gives you that, a fallback just in case you made a mistake. So again, you can see here that site was moved to trash. Now, if you decide that you want to keep the website, just reload this page and then you will see the trash icon or the trash option where you can find the website that you have just deleted. And you can see it right here. It has been created as a new folder. Now, in order to start again from zero, if you maybe want to rebrand or something like that, you can just click on this create new site button right here. And then it will take you to another page where you can create your website. You can see here, what would you like to start creating? You can start from a blank canvas, you can start from a template, or generate a site structure with AI. And that is basically how to reset your Wix website to start from zero.